same cat that want fucking money. It's the same cat that want my food. It's the same cat that I'm arguing with. Yeah. It's the same cat that want my fucking money. It's the same cat that need my food. It's the same cat. The same cat say I need to buy a new phone. Yeah. Yeah. Need a new phone. Yeah. Some people don't give a fuck. Yeah. Need a new phone. Still don't give a fuck. Yeah. If he having fucking glitches, people don't give a fuck. Yeah. If he having problems with my car, people don't give a fuck, yeah. Hey, people don't give a fuck, yeah. Hey, people don't give a fuck, yeah. Hey, people don't give a fuck. Oh! Yeah. Same cat that want my money and shit, the same cat. Can we save my money for a new phone? It's the same damn cat that asked me to order food. More fire. Bless up!